We are concerned here with an act of humanity, with the maintaining of cultural values, and not least with a measure of considerable political importance. The effect upon all nations, and not least upon the Germans, of the fate of these innocent people, so maliciously persecuted, must not be underestimated. To leave these victims to their misery would be a heavy blow to all those who believe in human solidarity and would encourage those who believe only in force and oppression and who act accordingly.
Now, I will add a few words unprepared.
Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. As a child, he showed an early interest in mathematics and science, often challenging traditional beliefs. Despite facing challenges in school, Einstein's curiosity and independent thinking set him apart. His childhood was marked by a strong sense of independence and curiosity, despite initial struggles in school. Einstein's fascination with math and physics flourished. In 1895, Einstein applied to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, where he faced challenges due to his unconventional thinking. Graduating in 1900, he struggled to secure a teaching position, but eventually found work as a patent examiner. Einstein's breakthrough came in 1905, with the publication of 4 revolutionary papers. These included his theory of special relativity, challenging Newtonian physics, his equation equals mc, revealing the interconnection of energy and mass, became iconic. By 1915, Einstein unveiled the theory of general relativity, reshaping our understanding of gravity. This theory predicted phenomena like the bending of light around massive objects. Confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919, Einstein became a scientific celebrity. Einstein's career soared when he proposed the theory of general relativity in 1915, explaining gravity as the warping of spacetime. This theory was confirmed through observations, solidifying his status as a scientific icon. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. Awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on the photoelectric effect, Einstein's fame skyrocketed. However, his pursuit of a unified theory faced challenges as quantum mechanics gained prominence. Albert Einstein's work life was characterized by groundbreaking contributions to theoretical physics. After graduating from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in 1900, he initially struggled to secure a teaching position and worked as a patent examiner. However, his passion for theoretical physics remained undiminished. Einstein's 1915 theory of general relativity explained gravity as the warping of spacetime. The 1919 solar eclipse observations confirmed its predictions, catapulting him to international fame. He continued refining his theories and advocating for the acceptance of relativity in the scientific community. Albert Einstein's childhood was marked by early signs of intellectual curiosity and independent thinking. He was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. Einstein's father, Hermann Einstein, was a salesman and engineer, while his mother, Pauline Koch, was a homemaker. As a child, Einstein displayed a strong interest in science and mathematics. He was a late talker, and his parents initially worried about his development. However, he soon revealed an exceptional ability to understand complex concepts, leading to his fascination with the mysteries of the universe. Einstein's family moved to Munich when he was a young child. His early education was at a Catholic elementary school, where he clashed with authority due to his independent nature. His dissatisfaction with the rigid educational system prompted his parents to consider homeschooling. Einstein's childhood laid the foundation for his future intellectual pursuits. His unconventional thinking and relentless curiosity, evident from a young age, would ultimately lead him to become one of the most influential scientists in history. At the age of 15, Einstein applied to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, but he failed the entrance exam, undeterred. Albert Einstein continued to exhibit a keen interest in science and mathematics. After overcoming initial educational challenges, he enrolled at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich. In 1896, during this period, Einstein embraced his studies, delving into physics and mathematics with passion. Einstein's time in Zurich was marked by his growing reputation as a nonconformist thinker. He engaged in intellectual discussions with fellow students and developed a reputation for challenging traditional viewpoints. His rebellious spirit and pursuit of knowledge set him apart from his peers. Albert Einstein's personal life included two marriages. His first marriage was to Mileva Marek, a fellow student at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. They married in 1903 and had two sons, Hans Albert and Edward. The couple faced challenges, with Einstein's demanding work and Marek's struggles contributing to tensions. They eventually divorced in 1919. Throughout his life, Einstein's commitment to his work often strained his relationships, but his second marriage offered stability during a period of immense professional growth. Despite the complexities of his personal life, Einstein's contributions to science and his lasting impact on the world are enduring aspects of his legacy. Einstein's second marriage was to his cousin Elsa Leuenthal in 1919, just after finalizing his divorce from Mileva. Elsa provided support to Einstein in managing his public life and domestic affairs. The couple remained married until Elsa's death in 1936. Awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on the photoelectric effect, Einstein's influence grew, fleeing Nazi persecution. He settled in the United States in the 1930s and became a professor at Princeton University. During World War II, Einstein supported the Allies and urged the development of atomic weapons to counter Nazi threats. Post-war, he became an advocate for disarmament, civil rights, and pacifism. In his later years, Einstein pursued a unified theory, attempting to reconcile quantum mechanics with his views on relativity. Despite facing challenges and criticism, he remained dedicated to this quest until his death on April 18, 1955. Einstein's later years were dedicated to reconciling quantum mechanics with his views on relativity. Despite facing criticism, he continued his pursuit of a unified theory, a quest that remained unfulfilled. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, leaving behind a legacy that forever changed our understanding of the universe. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, leaving a legacy that extended beyond science. His influence on culture, philosophy, and humanity's understanding of the cosmos endures, making him one of the most iconic figures in history.